Okay guys, I am tired. Jeez, I am tired. Got the door off. This thing was more than what I thought it was going to be. I guess because I got all the panels on it and everything, it was more. It's like, I think it's like $200 and something, man. Jeez. I gotta look at the receipt on this thing. But I do got the mirror. It's ugly. I think I took the cap off my other one. Oh, the thing ain't following me. Yeah, I do got the mirror right here. I think I took the cap off of this piece right here because this one's so badly messed up. So we'll see. But it's full. I don't have to do anything but sip. Oh, this camera's acting up. The only thing I gotta do is change the key lock thing right here. Change that and we are good. Change the key lock thing right there and we're good. You see? Change that. So yeah, let me see. Something ain't right here. Okay. Alright. I think it's on tracker. But yeah. I gotta get this stuff loaded up. Which means I gotta take everything back out of here. Because this door can go at the bottom of everything, and then the hood can set over the door. Then I guess the fender back on top of the hood, like we got it right here. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll get back with you guys. Jeez. All right, guys, we got everything in here ready to go. Hacked up. It's cramped in there though. It's cramped in there, but it's ready to go. Everything looks good. Ain't no weight really pressing down on the door, but the weight of the hood, and that's not that heavy. So yeah, we're getting back on the road and getting out of here, guys. I got my 2 window pieces for my for Big Christ 2. AKA, let's get out of here. Alright guys, we're getting out of here. Got everything loaded up and let's get on out of here. Yeah. Gotta put my seatbelt on, you see. I wish they had the bumper, but they didn't. I wish they had the bumper, but they did not have it. So it is what it is. It is what it is, what it is, what it is. I like these little gimbal cams too. Little gimbal camel. Gimbal camera. Yeah. Gotta have the windows down. If you hear that wind blowing, sorry, but this truck, something happened with the air. I don't know what, but something happened with the air. So we don't have air. You see? We don't have air in here. So I gotta have the windows down, you see? Matter of fact, let me put the back windows down some as well. said. No good in the hood. Alright guys, I will get back on here when we're about at yard 2. See you there. Okay guys, we made it back to the yard. Alright, I put the hood down and the fender back there, but I believe we got a wasp nest on my trailer back there somewhere, because when I put, I don't know if you guys can see them, when I put that hood and that fender down, they start swarming. So I can't go back there at this point, guys. But we are back in the yard. I gotta wait till those walls start swinging around like that, flying around, find out where that nest at, shoot it down, and then we can get a better look at it later. But right now, guys, we're back at the yard, but it's hot and I'm going in to get me lunch. Okay, so, oh man, they flying around there like crazy. Look at that. Must be a big nest in there somewhere. But yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you when we're back in the yard again. I really believe it's gonna be this yard this time, okay? These wasps flying all around me. I'm out, guys. Peace.